Okay, so here's how to create your Google Analytics account. Pretty easy. If you already have your Google account, your Gmail account, go ahead and sign in with that. Or if you have your business email that is a Google email, go ahead and sign in with that. But you're going to go to this link here, marketingplatform.google.com/about/analytics, and go ahead and hit get started today. So this is what it's going to look like if you already have an analytics account. But what you're going to want to do is actually just go in and create a new account. So just 1 second. Okay, so this is what it should look like when you log in. What you're going to do is just going to go in and start filling out this information. So under my new account name, you're just going to put in your business name. You can also alternatively just put in your website address in there. You're going to want to hit Google products and services. So this is just going to be my business name or URL. Then property name is going to be the exact same. So my business name or URL. Okay. Then you're going to choose your time zone. So whatever time zone you're in, keep it at US dollar, and then go ahead and hit next. Then you're going to choose which one that you are in, which industry you are in. So go ahead and choose whatever industry you are in. So I'm going to say home and garden here. And then whatever size company you have, small, medium, large, etc. And then you're going to go down here and just hit get baseline reports. We don't need to fill out any of this information. So just hit get baseline reports and hit create. You're just going to agree to the terms of service right here and hit I accept. All right, you're going to choose the platform of the web. So unless you are building an Android app or iOS app, which we're not, you're going to just go ahead and hit web. Okay. Same thing, you're going to go ahead and put your website address in there, and then my website is going to be again your business name. So just go ahead and put in yourbusinessname.com, and then your website, and then your business name on there. Or you could also put in your website URL again inside of there. You're going to turn on enhanced measurement inside of there. So in this case, I just put in one of our websites here, and then you're going to turn on enhanced measurement. That's just going to measure everything just by default: page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, video engagement, all those things, form interactions, etc. So go ahead and just hit create stream. Okay. And then you're going to be met. Okay. And then you're going to be met with this screen right here. So you're not using any of these right now. So we're going to go ahead and hit install manually. And you're going to go ahead and grab this code right here. Okay. So you can go ahead and just hit this copy button right here, grab that code, and then go ahead and once you're done with that code, you're going to go ahead and give us that code, and we will take this code and install this onto your new website. Now, once you've given us that code and we install that onto your site, we'll go ahead and log back in using the credentials that you gave us access to make sure that this code is firing and picking up the traffic on your site. And that is how you create a new Google Analytics account.